Hi everyone and welcome back to Prefusion. So today I am back with another job update for all of you guys. So DRDO has released their notification for junior research fellow. Okay, so it is just a walk-in interview. You don't have any written test here. So you have to be eligible. I will talk about the eligibility criteria, and you will directly be shortlisted for the interview, and then you can be selected for the junior research fellow role. Okay, so these are the posts they have given me for computer science engineering. We have 9, and these are the eligible branches. You have to be have this you have to have a btech degree from any of these branches. Here as well, you have to have a btech degree from any one of these branches. Okay, that is very important. From electrical engineering, these are the branches. Okay, so these are the vacancies, and the dates have given 28th of jan, 29th of jan, 30th of jan. So we don't have much time, so you have to fill the form really early. Okay, the place of research fellowship will be here at Bangalore only, Yemlur. This is the location, and tenure will be for 2 years, which may be extended for further 2 years depending on the satisfactory performance. How is your performance? Okay, and the monthly stipend will be 37 per month, plus you will get HRA. Okay, HRA will be something I don't know exactly, but it will be a good value, so you will be able to compensate for your rent and all those things, right? And education qualification must be, you have to have BE BTech from any of the mentioned branches of which you are applying for the job role, and uh, it must you should pass with first division. That is also very important. You must pass with first division with a valid gate score. If you don't have valid gate score, then you are not eligible. So only gate scores of 2023 and 2024 are acceptable. Any other gate scores are not acceptable. Okay, just be careful regarding that. Now, if you have done ME and Tech, then you don't need any of this education qualification. Just any ME and Tech from and if you have done any MEM Tech from any of these particular disciplines in first division, if you get the first division, then you don't need this gate score. Directly you will be eligible. So they will shortlist based on some like marks criteria or something. Okay, upper age limit is 28 years as on 31st December 2024. So you must not be over the age of 28 years as on December 31st 2024. Okay, 5-year elections are there for other candidates. Okay, the procedure is, you have to download this form from the website. Eligible candidate who are willing to attend the walk-in interview have to send a willingness email at this particular email in the latest by 24 jan 2025. Okay, you have to send an email in this before this date on this email address. Okay, subject they have mentioned, and interview guidelines also they have mentioned. You can go through this, what are the interview guidelines. Okay, so also you have to take a print out of this form as well and go there. Okay, all those things are mentioned here. You can read through this. Okay, so yeah, these are the things you can read through few general guidelines. And mainly you have to, this is the application format that you have to download and submit hard copy. You have to go there and submit this hard copy as well, and soft copy as well through the email. Okay, all the conditions and criteria are given. Okay, you can read through this. Okay, so this was about the short notification of DRDO for junior research fellow job roles. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, happy learning.